Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Agon, and in this video we are going to talk about price prediction of XEC USDT. So let's open the Google Chrome chart over here, and as you guys can see, it's XEC USDT chart at weekly time frame. So we will start from macro trend and then we'll go to micro. Okay. So first of all, before proceeding with technical analysis, I'd like to mark supports and resistance levels over here, and we will use these horizontal lines, and you can also use them from Alt H, and I will start identifying some levels over here. So as you guys can see over here, this point is a swing low, and I'm going to mark a support over here like this. It's better to use a magnet tool like this. So whenever you place your cursor on candle, it automatically gets to the top of that candle. So this is a swing high of that swing low candle. We are gonna mark this level also. Okay. Second level will be this swing low candle, and we'll mark high of this candle. I will not mark low of this candle because it's just, there's not much difference between both of the lines. Okay. Another important level over here will be this one, since this was the last red candle after which uptrend started, but it didn't last it that long. So as you guys can see, XCC has been over here in an extreme downtrend, and things don't look that good for XCC right now, but it has been holding above the 0.06391 support. As you guys can see over here, we are holding above this support, so this is a strong support. So that level is 0.06413. I'll call this level, so it's a strong support level. Now I'm going to shift to the daily time frame chart and see what's going on. And already after shifting to daily time frame, I can identify a trend over here, and I'll turn off my magnet tool now, and I'll draw a trend line over here like this. Okay, so let's extend this trend line slightly over here like this, so everything fits perfectly. And this trend line seems to be very perfect because you guys can see rejection from here level, this level, rejection from this level, rejection from this zone, a rejection from here, and a rejection from this level. Okay, so now XCC is at very decisive point, because a break above this level can, you know, can trigger XCC to have an explosive move towards the upside, and it's very important for XCC to break above this level and break above from the downtrend also. So I will mark few support and resistances levels over here also. So this swing low is going to be our resistance to the upside. Okay, and the high of this swing low is going to be a resistance to the upside also. Okay, so now you guys can see this is our immediate support to downside, and that's 7772. This is our immediate support to the downside. So if XCC breaks below this price, this level, we can expect XCC to retest lower levels. And what are the lower levels below? And the lower levels below are going to be, I'll mark one support over here also. So sorry for that. As you guys can see, this level has been holding for a while. So XCC, if it gets rejected from this level, this trend line, let me zoom in. So XCC, if it gets rejected from this trend line and it breaks below this this support, we can expect it to retest this level, and this level right now is of 7145. Okay, this is level, and if 7772 breaks and it doesn't hold, if XEC doesn't holds above this level, then we can expect it to retest this level. Most of the things right now depend on BTC, since you guys know BTC dominance moves the market, so all of those factors really depend upon the movement of altcoin. So let's consider the upside now. So if XEC breaks above this trend line, as this trend line is very important, so if XEC breaks above this trend line, our first resistance to the upside will be this one. What is this resistance? I'll tell you guys. This resistance is 0. I'll just skip the points. I'll just tell them by 8573. This is an important resistance level. Okay. So we need a strong volume to break above this trend line and then hold above this trend line, and then possibly go to further upsides. So let me delete all of this. So this can be the possible movement of XEC right now if we break above this strong trend line with a strong volume. So something like this, we break above, we retest this level again, and then we retest that 8573 level. And if we are successful in movement like this, that if we retest this trend line, if we retest this support again, then we can possibly have a chance of going to 9713 also. So these are the important key levels, and I will suggest you guys not only watch videos but also mark these key levels on your chart. And volume right now doesn't looks that great, so I'm inclined more to the downside right now, since you guys can see look, 1 2 3 and 4 candles, and we haven't been able to break and close above the upside of this trend line. So that signifies that the volume is not great, so I'll be inclined more to the downside, and that's an important reason for you guys to manage the risk right now. So if you guys are planning to get into XEC right now, then make sure to have an orders at this level at let me zoom it out. So make sure to have an order at 7145 level, and you can place a stop loss somewhere between a low of this candle. Okay, so if you guys are planning to enter into XEC trade, then you can look for something like this. Something like this will be very important. So entry at 7145 and targets to this one and this resistance. Okay, target 1 will be 7772 and the second target will be 8573. Let's look at the indicators and what does indicator signify. So super trend is already telling me, has already given me a sell signal. So as you guys can see, we retested this super trend line of resistance and we are coming down, and I'm using this TSI MACD and it's pointing downwards over here. Previously it pointed downwards over here, and this was not that strong, so it was just consolidation phase. So at these levels it pointed downwards and we had a movement downwards over here like this, pointed downwards over here, we had a movement downwards like this. So TSI MACD is a very good indicators, but I will not share my settings right now, since I want you guys to learn simple analysis first. So I am more inclined to downwards right now because BTC dominance and BTC don't look that great, and the volume on XEC is not looking that great. So let's see how everything goes out, guys. And if you guys are planning to enter into XEC, then make sure to enter at these prices which I have mentioned. Don't enter right now because we are at very decisive point. Either enter at breakout of either enter at retest of breakout or enter at support below. Don't enter right now. So this is enough from my side today, guys. I'll meet you guys with another video tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye bye.